And you move. I'll show muscles.
I'll show you muscles.
Tractor Supply Company, providing pet food, animal feed, and gardening supplies. Swiffer, stop cleaning, start Swiffer. AT&T, here, and the American Chemical, for the love of all baseball.
Welcome back to the 2024 AKC National Agility Championship presented by Vroom. We've seen more than 70 dogs competing across 5 different weight classes here today, all to be crowned national champs. But there have been some costly moments here, and it brings us to our turning point, brought to you by Tractor Supply Company. Errors plaguing some people here.
I tell you, they are just rushing because they are trying to get the most out of their dog, get to the backside, but no, we go with the squeeze ball. That is a fault. Coming in, just kept on running. We're trying to get the most out of our dogs. They're coming right here, and we had several dogs do that right there. Hammers were pushing to get that rear cross, and several dogs ready on the jump. Here we are again. Under the dog, I never gave Missing just sees them really handles it. Just make mistakes because they're pushing, they're driving. There's a knock bar. Here we go to the backside, we don't get the backside, but we do, and then we end up missing that jump. It's just, once the nerves get to you, it just can just roll on. And then as you see here, we're just into the tunnel. All these handlers are doing everything they can to get everything out of their dog, and sometimes faults happen.
Well, the focus from the judges who set this course was to make it fast and really challenging, and we have seen that so far today. As we get set to welcome in our dogs from the 24-inch height division, our final national champion to be crowned today. And we start with Dewey, the Vizsla, and Carter Forbes. Carter says Dewey's been doing some load management here.